Assalamualaikum everyone. So right now I've come in another place. As you can see, my two friends Mamun and Limon, they are taking shower in this water pump, and actually the circumstances is totally amazing because after seeing this moment, I'm thinking I remember in my childhood. Actually, I have did so many thing in my pastime in my childhood, and I took shower in another site like this type of water pump, and actually it's not nearby my village. It's some far of my house. Yeah, of my house. Actually, it's my village. Sorry for that, because I have told you that it's not my village. Actually, it's my village, but from my house is some far. So for this reason, we have come, and whenever we was walking on the path of the park, and actually we was going to our home, but after seeing this moment, after seeing the circumstances, Mamun and Limon told me that we want to go in this place and we can take shower. So for this reason, we have come here, and they have told me that you have made a video. You can make a video so that we can take a memory in this time. Okay, so there's a thing actually, and they're making so many fans. And look at this guy. Oh my God, he's totally insane about that. So Mamun, what did you say?
Oh, my amazing moment.
No, a few minutes ago, what did you say? কি বলেছো তুমি মানে ওর সম্পর্কে?
ওর দাদা তো দেখে না ভিডিওটা, আবার দাদা এমন মাইটি হবে।
Okay, those are watching this video, I think in another place, in another district division, I think you will not able to understand his voice, because we are Sileti. We are actually mixing our voice, because we are living in Hobbyganj, and as well as it's a part of Silet. So that's the thing actually. So Limon, so as you can see, they have taken shower. So Limon, how did you feel about that?
Right
After taking shower?
At this moment, I'm feeling so cold because the water is so cold. Was so cold because
Yeah, yes.
it's coming from deep side in
deep
the
side.
water. It's from soil, deep side from soil. So
It's
that's
from
why.
soil, from
So at this
texture,
moment,
right?
there are lots of places are here, but they are not getting that much water just for drinking. But we are getting
got it.
lots of water from taking shower.
Okay. So actually, I miss this moment. Really, I miss this moment. But I don't have any such kind of thing to take shower with you guys. So no problem. I will try. I will try in the next time. So as you can see, actually, by this water pump, they are taking water in their field, right? In their paddy field. Oh my God. Oh my God. The guy is totally insane. Because he's saying that we are making a video, so for this reason they are getting insane, right? So what? Oh my God. Okay, so it's totally boiling in the outside. So I think we shouldn't make our video longer. So that's the thing actually. So Leon, mobile to